Okay, personal transformation for seekers of more. What's this all about? Well, stay with me for the next few moments and we're going to talk about it. But first, I want to share this with you. Okay, are you interested in a home-based business opportunity? Would you like to make money online from home? Then check out the very brief videos in link number 1 and link number 2 in the description area of this video. I've got some incredible low cost, high profit potential business opportunities where you can make money from home online. Okay, so stay with me and be sure to check those links out. All right, let's get into our topic. Okay, personal transformation for seekers of more. Okay, and this is a thought from, I decided I'm going to either do a book or a course. All right, so I'm not sure yet, and I might just do a book and a course. All right, and of course, my favorite subject, one of my favorite subjects in the world is personal transformation, okay? And so I just want to share a thought from my course. It's like the introduction, somewhere near the introduction, okay? So let's get into it, all right? True transformation isn't just about wanting change. It's about taking deliberate steps toward becoming the person you are meant to be. Transformation begins when you make an intentional, quality, definitive decision to change your life. When you decide that the life you are living is no longer enough and you mean that in your heart of hearts, you are ready for change. Personal transformation is a journey that often begins with a spark, a realization, or even a discomfort or discontentment that nudges us out of our comfort zones and pushes us to seek something more. Hence, personal transformation for seekers of more. Now, these catalysts for change can set in motion a series of profound shifts in our mindsets, beliefs, behaviors, and ultimately propelling us toward personal growth and self-discovery. In my book or my course, we will explore the transformative power of embracing change easily, facing discomfort, awakening to new possibilities, and pursuing personal fulfillment as we navigate through the sometimes rugged path toward a more authentic and purposeful existence. And folks, this is something that I have lived and living. And part of me doing this particular course is a part of my journey, okay? So I'm excited about what I decided to do. So I hope you enjoyed that, got something out of that, okay? And if you have, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do that as well. And in closing, make sure that you check out those links in the description area of this video, okay? Okay, I'm Terry Brown. Have a blessed, amazing, wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.